Hello world, this is Coco Martech, and today we are going to review this wireless repeater by Pix-Link. So what this tech does is that it extends the signal of your Wi-Fi. For example, you have a certain portion of your house that doesn't have any Wi-Fi signal. Just like in our case, our bathroom doesn't have any Wi-Fi signal because our Wi-Fi router doesn't reach that area. So one solution is to buy a Wi-Fi repeater like this one. Before we start our video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you can help me grow my channel, and I would really appreciate that. So let's start our video, and welcome back to another episode of
TT with Coco Martech.
What's great about this wireless repeater is that it only costs around 680 pesos. If you're interested about this specific product, I'll be putting its affiliate link down in the description box down below. So if you want to order now, please consider clicking that link so I can have a little commission from that sale. So for the box, you have the product itself at the front, and you have the details about it. You have 4 external antennas, double the coverage of your Wi-Fi with ease, supports router, repeater, WISP client, and AP mode. At the bottom front of the box, you have some details about it, about wireless and repeater, and it's too long to read it, so I'll just put the details in the description box down below. And at the right side, you have a diagram of what it does basically. So you have a Wi-Fi router, and this device connects the signal, or it acts as a bridge to extend the signal of your Wi-Fi. At the back of the box, you have the quick installation guide, and of course in this video we are going to do it step by step on how you are going to install this device. And you will see later in the video that it's very easy, and it takes little time to do it, and it's very straightforward. Before we open the box, you'll notice that it's kind of flimsy already because I've already opened it. I'm still going to do an unboxing so you can have an idea on what to expect when buying this device. So we are going to open it now, and of course the first thing that you will see is the repeater itself, and it's white and it's very classy. Still have the plastic on it. You have the 4 antennas to boost your Wi-Fi, and let's see what else is inside. You have a plastic to protect the device. You have RJ45 or Ethernet cable to connect this device, for example, to your computer or your TV. And you have a... what do I call this thing? Comment down below, what do you call this thing? Maybe I'm not really credible at all, but still continue watching this video. So of course, we also have another installation guide, the same one as written in the box, but it's more specific. It has more details on how you can install this wireless repeater. So if you're going to look at the device itself, we have a space here at the back where we will put this plug so we can plug this in the socket. And at the bottom of the device, you have for your LAN and your Ethernet cable. And of course, at the front, you have the Pix-Link logo and a mini router Wi-Fi written at the bottom, and some LED lights to see what's on and what's not. We are here at our kitchen, and we are going to test if the Pix-Link Wi-Fi repeater will really strengthen the signal of our internet connection. And we are going to put this in our kitchen. We're going to install this in our kitchen because our bathroom is just behind this kitchen. We have a concrete wall, and that's the bathroom already. And before we start our installation, we are going to have a before and after checking of our Wi-Fi speed. We're going to have a speed test to really see if the Pix-Link Wi-Fi repeater really extended the signal or strengthened the signal of our internet connection. Again, to give you a context, I'll show you how far the Wi-Fi router from our kitchen. So right now, I'm standing here beside the sink. Of course, you're not going to see it in the video, but I'm going to walk straight to the Wi-Fi router so you can have an idea on how far the kitchen is from our Wi-Fi router's location. So the distance from the kitchen from here is around 17 meters. So I'm not sure if you're still going to see me right now, but beside me is the location of our Wi-Fi router. But of course, this will depend on how strong your Wi-Fi is, but we have a fiber connection already. Again, to show you the context on how near the kitchen is to the bathroom, this is where I was standing before. And this is where I'm going to plug in the wireless repeater. And before we do that, we're going to check the speed test of our internet connection in the bathroom to see if it really helped. There, so right now I'm currently connecting to our internet connection, and we are going to use... Okay, so I don't have any speed test app. So we're going to install a speed test app first. You can really see that I'm not prepared for this video. And we're going to use the speed test by Ookla for both of the locations, just to be fair. We're just going to wait for the download. So how are you guys? How is your life right now? Are you doing fine? Comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe and help me grow my YouTube channel. So I'm going to be transparent with you, and of course this is not a sponsored video, so whatever I do here is based on my personal experiences or opinions. So for the download speed, it's 27.2, and for the upload speed is 8.17 here in the kitchen. But again, you have a concrete wall blocking the signal from the bathroom, so the Wi-Fi doesn't really end up there, doesn't really reach there. So we're going to test if the wireless router will help that solution or that problem. So now again, we're going to have another speed test, but this time inside our bathroom. So in order this experiment or testing to be as accurate as possible, I'm going to sit in our toilet bowl and test, because this will really be the spot on how we usually going to use the internet from our phone. So right now we are going to conduct a testing if the internet will still reach right now without the wireless repeater. So this is our speed test from the bathroom without a wireless repeater. There's no internet whatsoever here. So now we're going to wait. Just going outside. It's so awkward. There, so right now we are back here in the kitchen, and we are going to install the wireless repeater and see if there will be improvements in our Wi-Fi. I'll be putting this here. So right now we are going to install our wireless and repeater, and the first step of course is to plug in the mini router in the electrical outlet and wait until the wireless LAN LED is blinking. There, it's blinking right now, so we can move on. So step number 2 is just open your Wi-Fi and look for the wireless N. And then number 3 is configure the mini router. So open your web browser. So here you're going to put here 192.168.1.254. And then a setup wizard will open up. I'm going to submit this for our English as the language. And we're going to click here on the wizard, and we're going to use as a wireless repeater mode. So you can also use this as a gateway, as a wireless AP mode, or a WISP. What's nice about this is that it can do a lot of things. So we're going to click the wireless repeater mode, and then it's going to scan a list of SSIDs or internet names. We are going to click here the Hernandez globe. So this is the ID of our internet, and they're going to select. One disadvantage about this wireless repeater is that you can't really make this the same name as the current SSID. So you are going to be forced to enter a different name, like this one, Hernandez _globe _extension. You can put this as a bathroom internet. Kitchen internet sounds better. A security key or a password for the internet. So I think what's better is to make it the same as the current SSID or the internet. And then after putting your security key, just going to press the apply button and just have to wait for it to finish. And you can also see in the list of internet connections that we have the kitchen that we just made, and we're going to connect to that internet. So of course we are going to enter our security key, and I will not show that in the video. So since we're already connected to the kitchen internet, we are going to do the speed test again to see if it really improved. For our first testing, we tested the internet connection from this place, which is just behind the kitchen. And we are going to do the speed test again to see if it got better from this location. So for our testing for right now, it's 24.9 for the download speed and 8.20 for the upload speed. And we can really see in the charts that the download speed got slower, but the upload speed improved a little. Maybe it's about the quality of the signal that the wireless repeater is giving, but we'll see. We'll test the bathroom signal if it got better. So this is our location from before, and we're going to test it now. So this test is actually awkward, so bear with me, but we're doing science here. So right now we are going to test if we can completely have a speed test right now. Because if you can remember, we weren't able to do that before because there was no signal that we got from the previous internet. There, so we completely have a speed test for our bathroom that we failed before. So right now we have a 26.3 for the download speed and 7.35 for the upload speed. So right now I'll be able to stay here a little longer, maybe for the whole day, and play some games while doing my dump. And let's go back outside because this is kind of awkward. Comment down below if you think this is awkward, because I know it is. So that's it for our review of the Pix-Link Wi-Fi repeater, and comment down below if you think this will be a better option for you to strengthen the signal of your internet. And again, this is going to be very affordable. It's around 680 pesos or around that price. And again, you can click on the affiliate link in the description box down below to order this online. Again, it's very affordable, it's effective, it's very easy to set up. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Coco Martech. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Stay safe, guys.